welcome to my channel. My name is Robbins. Today we'll be talking about how you can use ChatGPT directly on Google Documents. The advantage of this is you won't have to copy whatever you generate on ChatGPT into file. You just make use of it within your Google document and save it directly. So the first step is you want to open your Google Doc and then you open a new file. You can see I'm already on a new document. So you open your Google Documents, you click on a blank fold file. Then the next thing you want to do is you click on extension, you click on add-on, then you want to click on get add-on. You wait for it to open, then you want to search for ChatGPT. So you have several of them here. The very first one is what you're going to click on, which is this. So the next thing is you're going to see the score and you look for the one with the highest number of downloads. Currently, when making this video, it was over 1.2 million. You click on this. Then you want to install ChatGPT for Sheets and Doc. So you click on continue. Or wait patiently for it to get access to your, then you click on access your Gmail. Then you want to allow. So for security reasons, Google will send you information. So you look at it, you can see we are currently working on the first one and the second one is for Sheets. So you click on continue, then done. So this is the first step. You can see we have installed ChatGPT in our document. So you close this. So what I want you to do next is you're going to go to page it, you click on extension. You can see currently ChatGPT has been installed. Yes. Yeah, congratulations for carrying out the first two steps. Now I want to go to step 3, connecting your ChatGPT to your Google Doc via the API key. So what you want to do is you go back to your extension and you'll see that you have installed the GPT for Sheet already. Now this is what we want to do. We want to set our API key. The API key will link your ChatGPT to your Google Doc. So let's go to open this file. We want to open platform.openai. Then you open. You're going to log in with your OpenAI login detail. You click on this. Then you want to click on log in. Then log in detail with your Google Mail. Now that you're here, what you want to do next is you can see that your profile is up here, upper end of the right side, and the other information on the left side, billing and API key. You can see currently we are the API keys. So this is your secret API key are listed below. Please know that we do not display your secret API key again after you generate them. So this is it. I already have one here that I used for a project before that. So you want to create a new one. Then you copy the API key. You can see that it's a very long string here. You copy the API key. Then what you want to do next is go back to your Google document to link the two of them together. You go to extension, then Google ChatGPT, then you click on set API key. When you click on set API key, it's going to open this page. All you need to do is just paste your API key here, and then you save API key. Now you have saved your API key. Congratulations for completing this step. Then what you want to do now is you want to check the extension. You click on it, and then you launch the sidebar, which is this. You want to launch the ChatGPT sidebar. So if you look at it closely, you can see that GPT-4 has been installed. It has been installed here. You see GPT for sheets, what you want to write, you want to type here. Do you want to change the tone, fix grammar, summarize, translate, or write a custom prompt? So let's take this for example. If you look at this side, this is where what you are writing is going to display. So let's say insert setting. Let's do this. Let's do with that. Then openai setting is fine. So let's say I want to add ChatGPT what is biology. So you submit. You submit it. It's working on it. So you can see that whatever you initiate here will display on this side of the product, on this side of the form. Let's take another example. Let's go back here and type list 5 breeds, list 5 dog breeds. So you submit it again. Whatever you're typing on your ChatGPT here will display here. So this is how you can make use of ChatGPT for any project you want to carry out without having to copy from ChatGPT to documents. So whatever you're doing will just display here. So once again, I want to thank you for coming by and learning this. I hope this will help you. Like, please follow for more content. I'll be sharing more technical skills that will help you to navigate and make use of IT without stress. I'll be showing other things that will make your life simple as well. Thank you once again for coming by. My name is Rollins. Do well to follow up this channel. Thank you.